5 Financial Independence Myths. I'm Kira from Scrunchify, and we are mamas here sharing personal finance tips to help you change your mindset about money and help you design the life you want. Myth number 1, I will never reach FI because I don't make enough money. Reaching FI is not about how much money you make, it's about how much money you spend. Myth number 2, I will never reach FI because I am in debt. Not all debt will keep you from reaching FI. Your mortgage is like a rent control method. Your car loan can be keeping more bulk cash in your pocket for new opportunities or emergencies. Myth number 3, I don't want to be FI. I like working. FI is not about quitting your job. It's about having financial security in uncertain times. It's about creating opportunities for flexibility in your life. Myth number 4, I'm too busy to be bothered with my personal finances. Nowadays, with technology, managing your personal finances is as easy as scrolling through social media. Myth number 5, I will never have that much money to be FI. You will be surprised when you start controlling your expenses how much extra money you are able to save. And the beauty of saving money is growing interest and compounding. That interest is what leads to making more money without you having to work for it. If you have enjoyed the show, please share with another Scrunchy Mama and hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. For show notes, resources, and links to our other video shorts, check out our website, scrunchify.com.